talking to a camera for a YouTube channel I don't know the name of, for a segment I don't know the name of. Better get these off. Filming the review of the Bauer NS.
How did it ever get so wrong? Crying in the stall of a washroom floor. You niggas don't know where I'm from. Don't know how I got it, but I'm all alone. And I be waking up feeling as lonely as I was before. But no, I can't stick around for long. Tell my mom, cause I know she wants me home now. Just a shame. I'm just a never done this thing before.
I've been riding them about 2 months now, and they're great. I love them.
Never asked to be driven away in a foreign car. Cause the bus will take me just as long. And now I gotta sleep with the lights down.
So they're Bauer NS skates in a size 9. They've got Playmaker plates on the bottom, Airwave wheels, and they're rolling on ABEC 5 bearings. Couldn't tell you much more about them than that. So the wheels have made these absolutely lovely to learn to skate on. They're 65mm, so they're pretty big, roll over most bumps, and 78A, so they're pretty soft as well. That's similar to the likes of Sim Street Snakes and certain colours of Cryptos, I believe. They'll roll over just about anything. You don't really feel like you're on rough terrain until you're on really bad terrain. I know that a lot of people, when they're starting out, me included, really struggle on these stripping bits, but these wheels, they just roll right over. As you see here though, some things are just too big to miss.
No, I didn't see that there.
To be honest, I don't think I can really say enough about these wheels. Being so big and so soft, they really give you the confidence to go places, go up curves, run across roads, just give you the opportunity to actually use your skates and spend the time getting better on them. I want to get some Sims Street Snakes, but we'll see if I can give these ones up. Brings us nicely on to what has been changed in these skates, and you know, it's not much because I was really happy with them out the box. First thing was the laces. They're black to match the colours and lace up a bit nicer. I replaced all the toe stops with rubber clouds. They're a bit more reliable when you stop and seem to wear out a little bit slower. Then I quickly took them off again because I found it was easy to go backwards without them. Right now I've just got that added back toe stop on there. It's good for stopping when you don't really feel like you've got another option, and sort of deserves its own video, to be honest, because I think that's the thing I get the most questions on when I'm out and about. There's a few things I'd like to do to them but just haven't quite got around to yet. First up's bearings. The ones in there are fast enough, but I want to be able to open them up, service them, clean them, lube them. I've been looking at these better bearings. They come in rainbow colours, so I can get a different colour for each wheel, which is pretty sweet. They come from Australia, so I just haven't been asked with the shipping or the conversion rates. The other thing would be new wheels. I really like these Airwaves, but I'm also keen to try some Sims Street Snakes and some Cryptos as well, after an old boy recommended them to me. Both look pretty nice, a little bit smaller, apparently you can get a bit more acceleration up quicker. So, in summary, they're sweet skates. I really like them, and if I was starting out again, I'd buy the exact same set, maybe a different coloured wheel. £160 is what I paid for them, and it seemed like a lot at the time, especially seeing other cheaper ones like Rookies, that sort of thing on the market. They're a good set of skates. It's good value for money for what you get. I got them from Ollie's Skate Shop off of their eBay store, and they're great. I had to return a pair because they're too small, and they're fantastic about that, so fully recommend them. They're solid boots. I've fallen off them a few times, scraped them up, and there's no sign of giving in. If there was anything you didn't like about them, it'd be pretty easy to change over the wheels or anything like that. I suppose it's the same for all roller skates though. Really, I feel like I've got to say something I don't like about the skates, and that's hard to do, but if there's one thing, it would have to be the colours. They only come in red and black, and I reckon if there's anything else available, I probably would have got something different. I think that's all I can say for now, really, beyond thanks for watching. Do feel free to hit subscribe. I'll be putting up a few new videos, just trying to answer a few questions I guess I had before I was getting into skating and when I was getting started. Yeah, watch this space.